welcome to another video. Today we will discuss how to change the default app on your Android phone. So now we start the video. The pre-installed default apps on your phones are meant to perform basic function like opening an internet link, placing a call, or sending a text on Android. You can change the default apps around if you prefer a third-party alternate to Google original choice. It's not default to do, and it gives you a mobile experience that more tolerate to your needs and tastes. If you want to return to the original setting, that is straightforward too. So don't worry about breaking your phone by switching things up. What's default apps anyway? Now we will discuss. Default apps are mostly more than common talked about when it comes to the Windows and Mac OS operating system. Double click on a PDF on your desktop, for example, and what's the program that appears, whatever it is, that's the default app. For PDF over other files types from GPES to MP3 will have their own default app associated with them. This matter if you want to be able to productive as possible at your desk. If you are working with the documents, you want to them to be opening up in your word processor of choice. Double clicking on a file and having it more open it and write programs in a spender more innovative way of working them, launching the first program and then having to hunt from menus and folders to find the file you need. It's the same on Android. You will be probably not working with the same variety of files in the same way, but the principle still applies. Whether you are following a web link from an email or opening up an images from a group chat, you will be going to want to have a preferred app handle the request for you. This is a feature that Android gives you more control over than iOS on an iPhone. You can change the default web browser and email app, but that's it. You can also to use FaceTime as a default way to make video calls. For example, on Android, you can switch up more defaults app and even the whole look of the home screens. How to set defaults on Android? Some default app like Chrome for web links are configured right out of the box on Android, while others are set the first time you need them. So if you open a documents, you will be asked which you want to use a handle it, and that twice it is remembered by Android for the future. To change these default app at any time, open up setting and choose apps, then look for the default app options. It label default options on Pixel phones and choose default apps on Galaxy Samsung phones. This takes you be a list of your default app associations currently in place on your phone. Tap on any of the entries to make changes. So to change the app that handles text messages, for instance, select SMS app and then option you prefer. The option list will be includes apps currently installed on your phone that are able to handle the files or action in question. So there are no danger of you choosing on applicable app. Switching web browsers is something that you or might to be Android device. If you are both several install, tap browser app and make your choice from the list. Web links that you follow, instant messaging chats or email with open in the browser, you will be picked. and hope so you like this video. So please subscribe to my channel and share this video. So we will meet another video. Bye bye.